Morfa Bychan is a very popular beach, and we are pleased to be able to offer the loan of wheelchairs here so that more people can access the beach. Many people have already enjoyed using the chairs, and the feedback we have received from everyone has been great. There are 2 chairs available at Morfa Bychan Beach to borrow for up to 3 hours at a time, but this is subject to demand on the day. After you pay an entry fee for the beach, £8 for a car, £4 with a blue badge, or £16 for a motorhome, £8 with a blue badge, come to the beach hut at the main entrance. You can purchase seasonal parking tickets for the beach online in advance. Anyone who can benefit from the chairs can ask to borrow them, as long as they come here to discuss with the staff or contact in advance if they have any specific questions. The chairs come with a harness that you can adjust to ensure that the users are safe in the chair. It will be your decision whether the chair is suitable for the user and whether to proceed. There is no hoist available here, and the marine service staff have not been trained in moving and handling people, so this needs to be considered before arrival. Due to the design of the chairs, assistance from someone else will be needed to help move the chair along the beach. Staff will be available to explain and offer advice on using the chair safely. It is also necessary to complete the required paperwork. It is possible to come to the cabin here to borrow the chairs between spring and summer, but you are welcome to contact the Marine Service to arrange for other times.